just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. So today's video is just going to be some extreme cleaning motivation for you all. I am using the boys' nap time to get as much done as I can. So I figured I would just bring you guys along with me and share some of this motivation to get you guys up and cleaning right alongside with me. So I do hope you guys enjoy this and it gives you some motivation to get things done around your own home. But let's just go ahead and get right to it and get some cleaning done. Alright, so I am starting in the kitchen. Today I wanted to make sure to get the kitchen and the living room done, or mostly the downstairs done first before I moved upstairs. And yes, I am actually finally throwing away my Mother's Day flowers. They have lasted forever, and I shared this a few videos ago, but I just dropped a few drops of purification oil in my vase of flowers, and it has had them lasting forever. I only changed the water once, I believe, and I just dropped a few drops in the fresh vase of water, and you guys, it's amazing. It's such an awesome trick if you love having fresh flowers in your house. So definitely try it if you have purification oil, because it's something that I'm going to be using from now on. So I feel like lately things have been so busy. We've had a lot going on around here, especially with everything starting to finally open up. We're able to kind of get back into a little bit of a normal routine, but it has definitely kept me really busy and really unmotivated to keep up after things at the house. So it felt really good to use their nap time to be productive. I really try and use their nap times a few times during the week to be productive like this. I feel like it helps keep me on routine, and it definitely helps keep the house picked up during the week. But when do you guys like to do the majority of your cleaning routines? I typically will use their nap times as like my best cleaning time. I can get a lot done in their nap times as long as they're actually napping. But let me know down below, when do you guys do your best cleaning? I wanted to also just say hi and welcome to anyone who is new to my channel. I also have a lot of new faces around here, so thank you so much for stopping by and watching this and subscribing if you are subscribed. But if you don't know, I am a mom of 2 boys. Colton just turned 4 and Logan is now about 19 months. But I love sharing these cleaning videos with you guys. I love getting you motivated and just cleaning right alongside with me. So if you enjoy content like this and you're not subscribed yet, be sure to hit that little red subscribe button down below. I would absolutely love to have you as part of my YouTube family.
That you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Alright, so I am just finishing up putting the dishes out of the dishwasher away, and then I will just move right on to loading it back up with all of the dirty dishes in the sink. And then I will work on wiping down all of the counters and the kitchen table.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. So
If you guys don't know, I am awful at leaving the vacuum sitting out, and so it just makes me laugh every time I see it because Chris always gives me a hard time about leaving the vacuum not on the charger because whenever he goes to use it, it dies on him. So I'm just literally laughing at myself right now because there is just proof that I constantly leave it out. So how often do you guys have to wipe down your appliances from little sticky fingers? I feel like these appliances are really good at not having a ton of fingerprints on them, and they hold up pretty well. But there is a time or two where I look at it and I'm just like, oh my goodness, there are so many sticky fingerprints on that refrigerator. Surprisingly, this room was not a huge mess today, and I am not complaining because sometimes this room can get pretty messy. But we've actually been trying to spend a lot of time outside, especially in the mornings because the afternoons just get so hot. And we actually just started going to our community pools that just opened, which has been so much fun. We actually have not been able to use the pools until just recently when they opened up, because we moved into this house back in October and then it was the rainy season and it was too cold to go to the pools. So we are finally getting to use the pool amenities, and it is so nice and so exciting that we can just start using them again. Alright, the last thing I wanted to do downstairs was start a load of laundry before I moved upstairs. This is just going to be a random dark load, and I'm pretty sure it was actually my last 2 loads of laundry that I had to do before I was all caught up with laundry, which hardly ever happens, but it is such a nice feeling thinking that you only have 2 loads of laundry to do and you are just completely done. Alright, so moving on upstairs, I am just going to be tidying up our bedroom, making our bed, and just making it look really nice. And then I will move into our bathroom and just basically do the same, wipe down the sinks and just tidy things up.
I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking.
So even though it was pretty much like mid-afternoon when I was coming up here to make my bed, that is totally fine with me. There are some days where I can get up in the morning and make it before I go downstairs, and other mornings it just does not happen. I will just try and take a few minutes in my afternoon to come up here and make it. And then there are some days where I just completely let it go and not even worry about it because there are other things that kind of take precedence and it just doesn't happen. But anyways, a freshly made bed just makes me super, super happy.
I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya.
So my bathroom was not in bad shape. It was actually pretty clean for the most part, but I wanted to just put a few things away and wipe down the counters. And then I also had a new bag of our little flossers that I needed to dump into that little container. If you guys need some bathroom motivation, I did a huge declutter organize in here a while back, so I will link that down below for you guys if you are looking for some extra bathroom motivation.
And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone when everybody thinks they know ya. And y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, 'cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
Alright you guys, that's going to do it for today's extreme cleaning motivation. I really hope you all enjoyed it and you were up cleaning right alongside with me, or you are just saving this motivation for later on when you're getting things done. But make sure you guys are subscribed before you leave here so you don't miss anything new, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!